An astrological forecast for 2022. According to psychological astrologer Jennifer Freed, 2022 will be an opportunity for reevaluation, repair, and rapid expansion. Neptune, the planet connected with compassion, will be in conjunction with Jupiter, the planet associated with abundance. We'll have to use those planets' energies wisely, says Freed. Even in this polarized moment, in which the clashing of belief systems can create vast rifts that divide families and communities, let us not forget to celebrate that we have the freedom to speak our own truths. 2022 will be the year to decide personally, socially, and collectively how we use that freedom in full. Neptune will be in conjunction with Jupiter in Pisces, offering up a rapid expansion of compassion, empathy, and forgiveness. Sniping, malicious gossip, and rabid use of hate to put people in their place have polluted social media and fragmented our communities, fostering the idea that we are indeed separate and fated to be at war with one another. This is the lie that must be dismantled in 2022. Underneath all attacks and reactivity is unprocessed pain and trauma. In 2022, we are called to heal the root causes of the pervasively marketed idea that we are against one another. This begins with making trauma-informed care more available to all and creating opportunities for healing community conversations. Are you part of the vanguard of love, or are you a soldier in the battle of fear? Are you committed to uplifting others or to squashing those you disagree with? With effort, we can each explore the ways that we have severed belonging and start to repair torn trust in our hearts and communities. This cycle will invite us all to reevaluate how we spend our precious time. Are you squandering yourself in situations or relationships that no longer serve or even harm you, or are you stewarding your energies toward nourishing bonds and affiliations? We will have the opportunity to support programs, policies, and practices that tend to the most at need and most neglected. There will be an even stronger appreciation of healers and nurses and for new alternative and conventional breakthrough therapies. We also will see an explosion in the creative arts and events that bring people together in rapturous ways. New and more diverse voices will gain access to public platforms. There will be an intensified focus on spirituality, magic, channeling, and psychic phenomena. We will benefit from even more evidence and awareness of our oneness as a world community. The unskillful side of this planetary conjunction will also be on display. As more people feel a fervent desire to be out of body and out of conventional modes, they may be seduced into addiction, excess, false prophecy, and con games. In 2022, ask yourself, am I using spirituality and sacred medicines to deepen my connection to Earth and others, or am I spending too much time escaping and checking out? There will also be an enormous emphasis on water, as Pisces is a water sign ruled by oceanic Neptune. We will be creating solutions for water shortages and dealing with climatic water events. With Uranus in Aquarius squared to Saturn in Taurus, 2022 will also be a year of escalating tensions between the old guard and zealous radicals from every ideology. We must come to terms with the shadow side of capitalism, which has led to countless people being excluded from private and privileged institutions and benefits, and to the oppressive narrative that more and faster are always better. Better is better, and enough is enough. The fantasy of unlimited growth will be grounded by reality. It will behoove us to choose the change instead of facing the consequences of unbridled surfeit. Are you savoring what you have? Is your generosity as big as your consumption? Are you able to prioritize quality over quantity? Who or what can help you reach your sustainable lifestyle? More people having enough of what they truly need will stabilize both matter and spirit. Everyone does better and is less threatened when we have fewer people in desperate situations. Where we fail to understand and respond to the pain in our communities, we will see intense reactionary results, including eruptive violence and further rifts. There will also be earth-based events like quakes, volcanic action, and extreme climate events that will necessitate that we all work side by side for the benefit of our entire species. The tension between Saturn, collective karma, and Uranus, rebellion, will ask us to examine where we have tried to suppress instead of listening, and will make ever clearer the consequences of using force instead of investing in deeper caring.